Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for another day. Thank you for our good health and more blessings in the another given to us another day. And now is almost 6 o'clock early in the morning. And happy weekends and more blessings at all. Thank you. Sana magkakaroon din ako ng subscriber. Ala naman din, hindi naman nag-ano yata si Isabella. But it's okay, thank you. Thank you pa rin. And having a good day. Hi. It's always to say goodbye and good morning for everything what we have. So we check outside. No, it's the weather. That is the lights early in the morning now. It's almost 6 o'clock, siguro 5 minutes to 6 o'clock in the morning or 10 minutes ba. So yan. Same as usual, tahimik, happy weekends and a little bit warm na. Kasi nga mag-i-enter na yung winter time. Kaya ngayon warm na. Warm hangin, konting hangin at init. Mainit pa rin pero may konting hangin na sa kaya alikabok na. Kaya yung balkon ko kahit I'm cleaning everyday, dust is always. Kasi kung hindi mo rin makapal naman din. At saka baka mamaya yung alaga ako pupunta ng balkon, kaya mainam na yung kahit papaano may konting bawas ang mga alikabok. Kasi pag naglinis ka ng morning, pagdating ng tanghali o hapon, wala na rin. Alikabok na. Alikabok na rin siya. Kaya ganun talaga kasi balkon naman. At saka hindi mo maasahan dito. Kahit sabihin mo good weather, good yung hangin, alikabok pa rin kasi construction more pa outside, inside in the compound, what I mean, and outside there is still continue pa the newly mga bridges that they have belong to develop in this cities. Kaya ganon agad. So thank you again. Happy weekends. And God bless us all. Ang dami-daming nagta-travel. Nagbabakasyon. Kaya may wala na ito. Tapos na kung nagbabakasyon sa loob ng bahay. Kaya this coming month, school again na naman. The beginning of the school. Okay, so thank you. Thank you for all of us. Thank you for all support. Thank you talaga. To all people in this area, to all different countries, and to all different mga nationalities that what we have. Good luck to my hometown, mga kababata, mga angkan to both side ng nanay at tatay ko, mga ka-hometown ko, halos na sila belong in the social media. Kaya good luck and more blessings and magiging successful with the God help together of us. And to my all amo, to their friends, to their parents, both side of my madam and sir, to Sisi, more blessings. Thanks for the sharing. Good luck for your plan. Good luck for your mga projects. Good luck for everything, and I wish always real talk and real what we are, especially in our personal, that who we are, and real good heart talaga to all of us. Not only to my buong angkan ko, even to myself only, not only to me, but all people living in this earth. Thank you very much. Magiging open na daw yung Boulevard soon. Okay? Yela, bye-bye.